Did you know that one season's garden can grow the seeds for the next, saving you money and preserving your best plants? Today, we're diving into a complete guide to fall garden seed saving, step by step. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know how to harvest, store, and replant seeds that will keep your garden thriving for years to come. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to join our growing garden family. Seed saving is more than just a way to save money. It's about sustainability, preserving heirloom varieties, and ensuring that your plants are adapted to your local climate. Over time, seeds you save from your healthiest plants become stronger and better suited to your soil and weather. Start by selecting your best plants. Look for disease-free, high-yielding, and vigorous performers. Avoid saving seeds from weak or stunted plants because their genetics may carry forward those traits. Focus on open-pollinated and heirloom varieties, as hybrid plants often don't grow true to type. Each crop requires a slightly different approach. Beans and peas are simple. Let the pods dry on the plant before harvesting. Tomatoes and cucumbers require a little extra work because their seeds are covered in a gel coat. Scoop them out, soak in water for a few days until the coating ferments away, then rinse and dry. With peppers, simply remove seeds from mature fruits and spread them out to dry. Drying is critical. Moisture left in seeds can cause mold or rot during storage. Spread your seeds in a single layer on paper or a mesh screen in a cool, dry spot with good airflow. Never use direct sunlight, as it can kill seed viability. Most seeds need about 1 to 2 weeks to fully dry. Once dry, store your seeds in paper envelopes or glass jars. Label everything clearly with the plant name and date. Keep them in a cool, dark place, like a closet or refrigerator. Properly stored seeds can remain viable for years. For example, beans and peas last about 3 years, while tomatoes and peppers often last up to 5 years or more. Here's a tip from experience. Keep a simple seed-saving journal. Record what you saved, how well it germinated, and any notes about plant health. Over time, you'll build a personal seed bank perfectly tailored to your garden. One fall, I saved tomato seeds from the juiciest, most flavorful fruit in the garden. The next year, those plants outperformed every store-bought packet, reminding me why seed saving is one of the most rewarding gardening habits. Seed saving in the fall is more than just a chore. It's an investment in the future of your garden. With each seed you save, you're carrying forward the best traits and building resilience into your growing space. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and become part of the family. Together, we'll keep learning, growing, and sharing the joy of gardening season after season.